Why financial literacy can change your life, even if you're broke. Did you know? Most people go through life without ever learning how money really works. Whether you're a student, a single mom, or someone starting fresh in a new country, financial literacy is the superpower no one teaches you in school. Characters show daily money struggles, checking wallet, juggling bills, counting coins. Then screen zooms out into the words, financial literacy with puzzle pieces, budget, save, invest, debt. Right pointing finger emoji. Financial literacy means understanding how to earn, spend, save, and grow your money without getting trapped in debt or fear. And no, you don't need to be rich to be financially smart. You need knowledge. Positive tone. Characters begin to transform. Woman opens a savings app, student pays bills confidently, immigrant sends money to family abroad. Money icons appear. Why does it matter so much? Because when you're financially literate, you control your money, it doesn't control you. You can plan for your dreams, not just your next paycheck. You avoid scams, debt traps, and sleepless nights. It's especially powerful if you're a student trying to survive on a tight budget. A woman who wants financial freedom and independence. An immigrant trying to rebuild your life and support your family. Piggy bank turns into a money tree. A bar chart rises showing financial growth. Chart with downwards trend emoji. 70% of people live paycheck to paycheck. But the difference between staying stuck and moving forward is often just knowledge. We're not here to teach boring financial jargon. We're here to give you real-life money skills you can use right now in simple, bite-sized lessons, every day. White tick mark emoji. Want to learn how to save money even if you earn very little? White tick mark emoji. Curious about investing but feel overwhelmed. White tick mark emoji. Need to get out of debt but don't know where to start. You're in the right place. Clear, practical, and made just for people like you. Your financial journey starts here. Hit subscribe and start your journey to financial confidence today. You don't need a lot of money to start. Just a little curiosity. And a few minutes a day. Welcome to Finance Basics Academy. Your future starts now. Thumbs up emoji, like, speech bubble emoji, comment, bell emoji, subscribe.